Teaching English for Beginners Level 1, Lesson 6. Now, let's form our complete English sentences. I am a doctor. I am a fisherman. I am an engineer. I am an economist. He is a farmer. He is a teacher. He is an officer. He is an accountant. She is a nurse. She is a housewife. She is an actress. She is an operator. It is a dog. It is a book. It is an ape. It is an apple. We are doctors. We are farmers. We are engineers. We are officers. You are a dentist. You are a vet. You are an electrician. You are an actor. You are soldiers. You are gardeners. You are scientists. You are vendors. They are dogs. They are boys. They are girls. They are apples. They are carpenters. The end. If you liked the video, don't forget to push the like button. Subscribe, and send your comments and questions to answer them by making more videos. See you on the next video.